YouTube. It's our Christmas special. Yep, Christmas special.
I wore this yesterday.
Yep, Christmas special. We're
here
to say goodbye, hello, and wear some glasses.
Tomorrow it's Christmas.
Yeah, tomorrow's Christmas. So happy holidays, everybody. She celebrates Christmas, and I just wear ears. Yeah, see that?
He doesn't celebrate Christmas.
No, I don't. But we gotta wear safety glasses, right? Yeah. What are we doing? I'm gonna show off today. Look, what I did is I bought this old clock here. I bought a clock mechanism for this, and she almost destroyed it a while ago by dropping it on the floor. I took it all apart, this old clock thing. So what I'm gonna do is I already made a video showing you this. I'm gonna somehow get this to pop out of that little hole, and I'm gonna make a little clock out of it. So this is all the parts for it. We just did a LOL video.
And I put a sticker on the back of your head.
So yeah, we should probably put a sticker on the back for her head. Wait, let me go like this. There. So yeah.
Can I put the sticker on my clock?
No. Because I'm not done with it yet. I gotta put these.
When you're done, can I put it on?
Oh, I'm not doing it today. See, I'm just showing them the package. What do we got in here? We have all kinds of little pieces in here. See, this is the, actually I shouldn't take it out of the bag, but see, that's the clock mechanism, and there's the little arms in it I'm gonna use. It was like 10 bucks at Michael's. I'm not sure if it's any good, but you know.
No, he bought it at the dollar store.
I didn't buy it at the dollar store, I bought it at Michael's.
That's my favorite.
Don't you have toys to play? Toys to play with? You gonna show them your box of toys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we brought some toys in. I'm gonna edit this video tonight and put it up for tomorrow morning, so everybody can watch.
And I brought a washcloth.
It's her favorite washcloth. Yeah, we're like the what? Comedy Central for freaking garage videos. LOLs.
Yeah.
LOLs. Look, we all look the same. What is this? Oh, she brought her cellular phone. Check this out. It's pretty cool.
This.
It's a secret cellular phone.
I brought this. I brought the puppy.
This is what I gotta deal with,
I brought the
folks.
puppy. I brought the ice cream.
Well, let me show them the ice cream. Don't forget.
And I brought this little bag.
The ice cream badge. Oh, that's not a badge. It's a keychain. Look. Look at my new hairdo.
Yeah.
It's my LOL hairdo.
Is it already nighttime?
Yeah, it's nighttime outside.
I got a new
Let's see what I look like with orange hair. Right. The force is strong with this one. That's what I look like with an orange mohawk. Yeah.
I got a new hat.
All right. Like her hat. We gotta let where'd you get the hat? The dollar store?
What?
No, we bought it at Michael's.
No, we got this at the dollar store.
You sure?
Yeah.
Pretty sure it was Michael's.
No, it was dollar store.
Okay, we bought it at the dollar store. Anyway, I'm gonna end that video here. Are you getting cold? No? Usually we get cold and leave, and then I come back and freeze my, well, you know what, off, do some work. But I do have work planned tonight, a work video, but we're just messing around because this is our Christmas video and she's sticking her tongue out. So anyway, happy holidays. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, all that kind of stuff. I don't do it, but hey, you know, if you got days off, have some fun.
I got a Harley Quinn Funko Pop.
Yeah, I ordered a Harley Quinn Funko Pop. We'll be reviewing that on Gonna Utah's Garage and her channel. If you're watching this, go on my YouTube channel. On the bottom listed, there's a channel called Kaya's Toys. I post videos for her, and we just have fun with it. So she has 11 subscribers. If anybody could please just subscribe. It doesn't be, you don't have to watch all the videos, but if you do, I guarantee you're gonna laugh your butt off, some of them, because they got quite the personalities. So if you want to watch kid videos, sponsored by Dad. Yeah.
If you like toys, watch toy videos. If you like toys, watch my toys.
Yeah, I got old man toys and she's got kid toys, right? What is this? So you have in your neck? Oh, it's got
neck warmer.
It's a neck warmer. So anyway,
Spider-Man.
thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Send us LOL dolls. We'll review them.
Yeah.
Or
And
send me hammers. Arco has enough, right? Right.
Oh, they look the same with the hair.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.